Welcome back to the Red Dice Diaries, and in this video tutorial I'm going to give you a quick run through of how to create an overlay in a Google Hangout as requested by Christopher Ruthenbeck on Google+. Hope you enjoy. So first of all, go into your graphics package. I'm using Photoshop, but you can use any graphics package capable of making a PNG file with transparencies. Then you need to set up a graphic that's roughly the size of your screen. You can see the measurements I'm using there, but anything should do as long as it's roughly in these proportions and is in a landscape format. You need to make sure that the background is transparent, i.e. it has no colour on it. Okay. So now I need to find the picture I'm going to put on the overlay. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to snag something off Google image search. So let me go into Internet Explorer and let's pick something nice and stereotypical. What could we have? Yeah, let's make it a wizard. Click on the images button there. Well, there's plenty of those mystical looking chappies about here. But I think I'm going to go with, let's see, I'm going to go with a slightly sinister looking lightning wielding fellow down there. So if I click on him, and all I'm going to do is just copy this image, right clicking and selecting copy. Then I'll go back into my graphics package and paste it in. Now you need to make sure you have another transparent layer that is underneath the layer that has your graphic on, serving effectively as a background. Now you need to move and resize your image depending on how you want it on your overlay, remembering you need to leave room for your actual self to be seen on the screen. So that looks about right. Normally near the bottom left or the bottom right of the screen is absolutely fine, but I need to get rid of this white space. There's a number of ways you can do that. You could select the pen tool and draw around the area you want. You could freehand select it, but I'm going to use this magic wand select. Now I've not got contiguous set, so it'll select all of any colour I click on. So let's get rid of this white and click on that. However, I can see that the tolerance is high and it's selected part of the beard and the lightning. So I'm going to put the tolerance to a lower number and then I'm going to try again. This looks better, so I'm going to press delete and see how it looks. I can still see a bit of the beard's been deleted, so I'll undo that, set the number lower, and I'll select it again. Let's click delete. Now that looks much better. So now I've got that, that's basically it done. I mean, if you want to add some text or other graphical flourishes using your graphics package, you can do. I'm just going to stick in some sample text there to show you that, choosing the text tool on Photoshop. Now I've got that file, I'm going to go to File and click Save As, and I need to pick the place to put it. Let's put it in the Pictures folder, and it needs to be saved as a PNG file. Give it whatever name you want. Let's just stick to calling it Wizard. And you need to make sure it's saved as an interlaced PNG file, otherwise you won't get the transparent areas. So now I've got our file saved, I can go into our Hangout. For the purposes of this video demo, I'm just going to create a simple video Hangout. So let's get that started by clicking here and wait for it to go through all its normal thing while it sets it up. There's no people in this demo, so I'll just click on cancel, wait for all the normal apps to load, etc. Now let's put me on the big screen. Hello. So now first of all you need to go to this Hangout toolbox, you should see there. If you don't, the icon's there, it's a default app, you should have it. And you need to click on this little chappie that looks like a silhouetted face inside a circle. That'll take you to the lower third part of the app, but it's this overlay bit that we're interested in. You need to click on the upload button here, and then you need to navigate to where you've saved your graphics file, in this case our wizard picture, and just give it the old double click on that. and you should see the name appear here. Now you can turn it on by clicking this little switch here, and you should see the picture on the screen. Now don't worry if it seems the wrong way round, that's just how you see it. It'll look the right way round to everyone else. However, don't worry about it. If that is annoying you, there is something you can do about that. You can click on this little icon here, and that'll flip your screen around so you're now seeing exactly what everyone else will see. There you go. If you wanted to save this graphic so that it could potentially be used in future, or you could set up multiple overlays, you can do it by clicking on saved presets here. Just type in a name in this box and click on the blue save button, and you have the name there, a tick box next to it, and a little trash can icon. Clicking on the tick icon will automatically replace whatever overlay you have up with your wizard overlay, or whichever overlay you've clicked on. And if you want to get rid of it any time in the future, you can just click on the trash can, which I'm going to do now. You can see it's disappeared, although we can still access it in the normal way. But this is handy because it means you can queue up multiple overlays, like if you had multiple NPC pictures, for instance, or anything like that. So now we've done that, let's close this Hangout down. So there you are. That's a quick primer as to how you can create a simple graphical overlay using a graphics package like Photoshop on Google Hangouts, saving it as a interlaced PNG graphics file with transparencies. Now there's obviously a lot more detail you can go into, but that should give you enough to get up and running creating a simple overlay. So I hope that's been informative, and if you found that useful, you'll consider clicking on the red dice up there to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, you know what to do, hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit it with a thumbs down. If you have any comments, suggestions, or things you'd like to say based on this video, put them in the box down below, or as always, hit me up in the Google Plus links. I really enjoy reading what you write. So until I see you in the next video, take care and happy gaming wherever you are in the world.